I'm heading down to Indianapolis, Senate Bill 248, which is the bill that would remove South Bend's elected school board, replace it with an appointed board. It is going to receive a hearing this afternoon, and they are going to be taking public testimony. So I'm heading down there to speak on behalf of the residents of South Bend, and obviously going to be opposing this bill. I'm going to be respectfully asking that our state lawmakers not pass this bill or consider making significant changes to it that does not remove the voice of the parents and voters of South Bend in deciding who's going to lead our South Bend school system. Now, for me, this is really about the fundamental practicalities of democratically elected government and not so much about the South Bend School Corporation, even though everybody knows I'm a huge supporter of South Bend schools. But even the justification that they're using for a bill like this does not make sense, and it's worth noting. So they talk about declining enrollment rates. Well, literally 73% of districts across the state of Indiana have had declining enrollment rates over the last decade. And the reasons for that are many, really. There's just population shifts. People are having less kids, and there's just more competition now with private schools and charter schools due to the expanded voucher program in Indiana. Another justification that they use are outcomes. But when you really compare outcomes, especially when you compare similar populations, you'll see that South Bend Schools is performing just like any other school district is when they have the kind of population that they have. So when you compare the charter school system of South Bend, which is serving the exact same population as South Bend Public School System, you'll see that their test scores are almost the same or even a little bit lower in some cases. Now, that's not to say that one school system is bad and one school system is good. It's a demonstration that there are a lot of other factors that go into outcomes for students. And we know study after study shows that one of those major outcomes is poverty, working class issues. Working families that are struggling are always going to have kids that are struggling in school and present additional challenges for school systems. When you look across the state of Indiana, school districts just like South Bend's are facing these exact same issues, but they're not being forced into some sort of weird bill like this that would take away the rights of parents or voters to choose their leadership. Now, there's a lot of ways that the state government can help the public school system here in South Bend and all over the state of Indiana, but what they need to do is start helping us address those issues that are facing working families.